Hey there, welcome to another video. I'm going to show you how to get photos into your Excel spreadsheet. Number of ways to do it. So let's begin by using some of the presets. You can come into the Insert menu tab, go to Illustrations, and you can use pictures, right? Which means you're taking pictures from your computer, from your share drives, from your C drives, whatever it is that's linked up to your computers. You can have online pictures that you can search through whatever the default browser is for this, or you can use the screenshot function, okay, which I tend to not really like, and I'll explain why. So the first one is pictures. If I click on that, it's gonna go through all my things that I got here, okay? And if you can't see all the photos, one thing you can do is, if you go, where am I looking for? Oh, right. If you click here, sometimes it'll look like this, so it's hard to find the photo. So you can actually click here and go, medium icons. You can go large, or you can just cycle through this, okay? So that it's a little bit easier for you to find the photo you're looking for. So let's go large icons. And I'm gonna go ahead and bring this one in, which I sent to a good friend of mine. So I go Insert, and that's it. So now I got the photo in there. I can do whatever I need to with this, okay? The other method is if I go into Insert again, I go Online Pictures. That's going to bring this up, so you're going to make sure you have internet. And let's say I'm going to go and let's just pick airplanes. Right, and then I'm going to pick one of these photos. Okay, so let's just say this upside down. Oh, let's do this one right here. And we go Insert. Okay, it's going to download it, then it's going to put it in. So let's just wait. Man, it's taking a long time. Maybe because I'm in the garage waiting for internet. Oh, there it goes. It heard me talking. Right, so you got the photo in there. The last method is if you go Insert and you click on this button right here, you can use some pre-existing screen clippings, or you can click this button right here. Okay, that's going to minimize your spreadsheet, and then you can take like a portion of whatever it is you're copying and place it here. My problem with this is it's a little bit hard to control. So you can actually achieve the same results using Windows snipping tool. And if you don't know what that is, you just go Windows, type snip, right? And you got this app here, which should be by default. And this pretty much does the same thing, but it's a little bit better because it's a separate application. So I can go New, and I can take, screenshots. That one I use, but now I tend to use Snagit. Snagit is a lot better, in my opinion. It's a really fancy program because you can do a lot more things in terms of, borders. I can do callouts and all that kind of stuff. You do have to pay for this software, but it is well worth the money. Okay, that one. And the last one is, let's say you have a browser. Let's just open a new one. Right. Let's just say this picture. I can right click this picture, go copy image. Right, come back in here and paste. Right, so you can do that as well. So a few methods to get images into Excel. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.